Nandito kami guys sa Samuel sa supermarket. Kasi pupunta siya bukas kina Auntie May niya while I'm working. And bumili lang kami ng food para dalhin nila dun. Kasi it's a hot day tomorrow, no? And you're gonna go for swim. So, di mo rin? Grab another bag. We'll put the drinks first and then put the drinks at the bottom, eh? Lay it down. Lay it down. Big boy na si Samuel. You're helping mommy na, no? And then, we'll grab another bag. You put that down. Put that down. Put that one there.